Welcome. In front of me is a RUGGEAR RG850, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification screen. So I'll actually proceed till I end up getting basically blocked by the verification. Now, you want to connect to Wi-Fi anyway, so you might as well do that right now while I'm going out there. Let me just put in a password. So let's wait for it to connect. Set up as new. And there we go. So as you can see, verify your account. So once you see this, you can go back to the first page. Now, like I said, make sure you connect it to network. You will need it. And from here, let's go into languages and choose any kind of other language that just doesn't use QWERTY. So for instance, Greek is good enough. And then let's proceed like we would normally do. Again, set up as new. And here where you get to verify your account once more, go on to top and hold spacebar. It will pop you up with the two options for QWERTY and Greek alphabet. Number one, you can switch to QWERTY, then hold spacebar again and choose the option right at the bottom. From here, top right here, choose whichever option. Oh, okay, so this might actually happen sometimes. Disregard it. I don't know what is causing this. But you can just repeat it and be back where we were just a moment ago. And I just chose whichever option. It doesn't really matter as long as you have the help and feedback, which is this right here. The B. Tap on it. It will take you to help and feedback. Tap on the search bar and start typing in Morse code. And the first thing that will pop up, use Morse code. Tap on it. It will have this video, so you want to tap on the video to load it up, and then you have the three buttons. So tap on those, choose watch later, which is the clock. And we should be now in Chrome, so just accept it. We don't want to log in, so disregard this. And now tap on the search bar and type in HardReset.Info. Like so. From here, tap on the three bars for the menu and choose download. And in the download field, you want to search for Android 8. As you can see, Android 8, search, and it's the first link right here, FRP bypass. Tap on download. Again, scroll down, and once more tap on the download button. This message will pop up, so you need to grant access again and again. All the options on the right are confirming, so whenever some pop-up comes up, you want to press the right option. Now there might be a little problem sometimes where it doesn't show you up that it's downloaded. I'll just tap on this, and yeah, for me it actually downloaded. As you can see, I have the open option, but I had cases where it doesn't actually want to open. And if you have the same problem, what you want to do is hold the button right here and choose the second option right here. It'll open it up in incognito and it will literally force it to download, and I'm not sure if something is blocking it or not, but with this option it will just download no problem, like so, and it should pop up. Now if you don't get a pop-up, you can always tap on the three dots up here and go right here. Once more, I'm gonna show it once more considering it's different language. There you go. So three dots and right here. Yep, so let's just tap on our app, and again we need to grant permission to it. So option on the right, check this on so we can install it, and we're back in the installer. So choose install, which is again the option on the right. It installs very quickly, and then again option on the right will be open, so right here. And from the app you want to choose Google Account Manager APK install for version 6.0, and again the same process, grant access, enable, go back and install. And this time we don't have anything to open, so you can just close it, and it will take us back to the app, as you can see. And here you want to tap on bypass FRP and choose browser sign in, tap on the dots, and again tap on browser sign in, which is the only option that pops up here. Confirm it, and here you want to type in your desired email address and then password. So I'm gonna use mine. Now if you don't have one, you can always create one. Usually you could create it here, but because it's in a different language you might have problems, so I would advise on doing it on a computer. Create an account and then use it to log in on your device if you don't have one. If you do, disregard it and just use it right now. I'm going to put in the password for it. It starts loading in. Once you tap on login, it goes back to the app. And from here, all you need to do now is hold power key, reboot, and wait for the device to power back on. So we should be back in the setup screen now. Now you want to go back to the first page so we can change the language. So just tap back till you are here and choose your desired language right now. For me, it's going to be English. No, I actually didn't. English. There we go. And what you want to do now is go to the setup process of the device. For the most part, you want to skip most of it. You don't really want to bother right now with setting it up, considering we're going to perform a hard reset of the device once we have access to the home screen. And right here, you can see account added. I have not added anything, it just popped up there. And this is basically our bypass right now taking effect. So normally this would be verify your account, but right now it detected an account that we have just used before the reboot. And this is the account, as you can see, HardReset.Info 1, which is the one that I have added. So let's just tap on next. Skip. Continue. No thanks. Let's go more and accept. No thanks. And we're now in the home screen. So from here, we want to go into settings. And in the settings, go all the way down to system right here. And from the system, let's go to reset options and erase all data, factory reset. Tap on that. And as you can see, this will basically remove our account, but it also removes any kind of previous account. So the one that was before that we needed to verify will also be completely removed. Tap on erase everything now and wait for it to perform the process. Now this will take several minutes, so just be patient. Once it's finished, we should be then back in the setup screen, but this time we won't have any kind of verification screen, and you can set up your device as however you like. It will be at this point fully unlocked. So I'll be back once we're on the setup screen. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device. So this time you can set it up the way you like it. Now I'm gonna again skip through the most of it, just to quickly progress through it and show you that the device is unlocked. So just tap on skip. Number one, which normally you shouldn't be able to do, is skipping network connection. If the device would need to be unlocked, verified, it would not show you that option and you would be forced to connect, but as you've seen, I wasn't. So just tap on next, not now, skip anyway. And as you can see, we're now on the home screen. So that is how you would unlock this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.